To thoroughly clean the coffee maker, don't forget the filter. Wow, spotless again! Here's a time-saving tip for the kitchen. The eggs beat themselves, while you can do something else. Ingenious! Is the trash bag too big? Do this. Much better. Did you know that all you need to fix a broken zipper is a fork? Incredible! Unstable pot? Problem solved. With this method, you don't need a toaster. Give this tip a try. Here's an alternative use for the roll dispenser that will make your life easier. Are you looking for a way to save space in your luggage? Put your clothes inside a travel pillow. Two functions in one. Is the baking tray too small? Well, not if you cut the pizza like this. A perfect fit. Do you have mayonnaise left over in a sachet? A quick remedy for insect bites. Is the knot too tight? Twist the top and it's done!